Single column cash book. In this module, we'll practice how to maintain a single column cash book, or simply saying a cash book. Well, in this practice question, there are few transactions with us that we need to record in our cash book. And then we have to find closing balance of that cash book that will be carried forward for the next period. The transactions are that we have balance which is coming from the last month. For example, like in this case, it is March 1, so it is coming from February. So on 1st March, we are already having 4,000 rupees in our cash balance, which we are bringing forward. Okay, so it is known as balance brought forward. I'll discuss its solution as well at the same time. So here you see that this is the dividing line, which is splitting it into receipt side and payment side. Okay, so we will consider this opening balance of cash as if this is already with us as a receipt. So this will be put in the receipt side. Remember, opening balance of cash will be considered as a receipt and will be put in the receipt side, or you can say that receipts will start from the opening balance of cash in hand. Then on March 3, sold goods for cash. Okay, when we are selling goods for cash, we are receiving cash or paying cash? Yes, we are receiving cash. So it is 40,000. Just see, right in the receipt side, 40,000. Simple is this. We are maintaining cash book. Cash we are receiving in the receipt side, simply put 40,000 because of sales. Then comes on 7th, we have sold goods on credit to Alpha. Yes. Should we record this transaction in the cash book? No. A big no on it. Why? Because it's a credit transaction. Okay. It's a credit transaction, and credit transactions are not recorded in cash book. Cash book is meant for cash transactions only. On 10th, we bought goods for cash. Okay, tell me, when we are buying goods for cash, we are receiving cash or we are paying cash? We are paying cash. Okay, so it will reduce our cash balance with 28. So let's see, 28 is payment, and because of purchases, here we'll put the date. I believe you are not feeling any issue in understanding the concept of maintaining cash book. It's very easy, receipt and payment only. Well, then on 15th, bought goods on credit. Again, this is a credit transaction. So we will not record this transaction in our cash book. Okay, agreed. You see, it is not appearing here. Then received cash from debtors Alpha. Okay, received cash from debtors Alpha. On the receipt side, 75,000 we'll put. Made part payment in cash to creditor Beta. Here we are making payment. Okay, so payment means cash is involved, and this is something we have to record in the payment side. So creditor Beta, we are making payment of 15,000 on 19th March. Okay. Then paid staff salaries. Again, it's a payment of 20,000. Will be appearing in the cash book. Yes, in the payment side. Good. Then we bought furniture for cash. When we are buying furniture for cash, so cash would be receiving, or we are making payment of cash? Yes, we are paying cash. Okay, So it will be appearing in the payment side. Because of furniture, we paid 25,000 cash. Then we paid electricity bill. Once again, it's a payment. So cash, whenever there is payment or paid, it means we have paid cash and there is decrease in cash. So straightforward, put this payment over here. So we are done with all the transactions. Okay, there were 2 credit transactions that we did not entertain in the cash book. Rest of the transactions we have recorded in the cash book. Now the final step of cash book is balancing. What we do, we make a total of all the receipts. The total of all the receipts is 119,000. And we subtract all payments from this 119,000. So take your calculator and put 119 there in your calculator. Okay, I can wait. Bring your calculator. Okay. I suppose you are ready now. Okay. 119. Okay, put 119 there. Minus 28,000. Minus 15,000. Minus 20,000. Minus 25,000. And minus 5,000. Okay, what comes? Yes, exactly. 26,000. Okay. So this 119,000, after putting 26,000 here, both columns are giving us the same total of 119,000. So the important tips to remember in this module are: cash is an asset and its opening balance will always be placed in the debit side of the cash book. Remember, receipt side is the debit side. Left hand side is always debit side. So we have to put balance, opening balance of cash book in the receipt side, which is the debit side. Then closing balance of cash is excess of receipts over payments. Okay, this is what we practiced also. And closing balance of cash is always placed in credit side to balance the both sides. When we will put the closing balance in credit side or payment side, credit side is the payment side. Okay, this is payment side. So when we will put this balancing figure in the payment side, both sides, the receipt side and payment side, will be equal.